Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to turn on your Infiniti Q50 with its smart key. First, make sure your smart key is with you inside the car. It needs to be detected for the vehicle to start. Next, firmly press and hold the brake pedal with your right foot. This is a crucial safety step before engaging the engine. Finally, locate the engine start/stop button, typically found on the dashboard near the steering wheel. With your foot still on the brake, press the engine start/stop button once. You'll hear the engine crank and then come to life. The vehicle's systems will power on and the dashboard lights will illuminate. Wait a moment for the engine to settle into a smooth idle. Once the engine is running steadily, you can gently release the brake pedal. Your Infiniti Q50 is now ready to drive. If your Q50 doesn't start, first check your smart keys battery. A low battery can prevent detection. Next, confirm your car's main battery isn't dead. A jump start might be needed. If those aren't the issue, try placing the smart key in the backup slot, usually found in the center console or near the steering column. This provides a direct connection for key detection. To turn off your Infiniti Q50, first ensure the vehicle is completely stopped and the gear selector is firmly in the park position. Then, simply press the engine start/stop button once. The engine will shut down, and most of the vehicle's electrical systems will power off. Before you exit, double-check that all accessories like the radio or lights are off to conserve battery power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.